Here we are, recording.
Okay. Hey, Colin. Ready?
I can't see him. Okay.
You see him?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Oh, he's kicking. Oh. Look at Daddy. Look, honey. Colin. What do you think, honey?
What's going on?
Yeah, he's like, I don't know. Of course the sun is out. How did that happen? Hey, Colin. What do you think? What do you think of the weather?
He's not crying.
No, he's not screaming.
He like floats when I go. Oof. That's yucky water.
I forget you guys are
No, this is no
Are
sand
you getting
before.
bugs?
I'm gonna head on back now.
Okay.
What do you think?
Alright, I just stopped.